Alright guys, so just released some merch. We have some stickers, a beautiful notebook, and this very trendy apron. Enjoy the vid.
For the cake, you will need to grate the rind of 2 lemons, 175 grams of butter or margarine, 4 tablespoons of milk, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 2 beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons, 1 wooden spoon. You need to line a bread tin with grease-proof paper, 1 large cocktail stick or skewer, 1 large bowl. For the syrup you'll need 1 tablespoon, 50 grams of granulated sugar, juice of 2 lemons, 1 small pan. Using a tablespoon, pour your butter into your bowl. Ensure that all of the butter is added. Pour your sugar into the bowl. Cream your butter and sugar together until fluffy. Gradually pour in the eggs. Every time more egg is added, mix the egg in thoroughly. Pour in all of your flour. Mix your flour, ensuring that it is all mixed in. Pour in your lemon rind. Stir in your lemon rind. Gradually pour in your milk. This will make your cake mixture nice and soft. Turn your oven on at 180 degrees or gas mark 4. Pour in your cake mixture. Spread out your mixture evenly. Put your cake in the oven for 30 minutes. It is a good idea to check 5 minutes before, just so it doesn't burn. Make your syrup 10 minutes before taking your cake out of the oven so the cake is still hot. Turn the hob on at a medium heat. Pour in your granulated sugar. Pour in your lemon juice. Stir your sugar into the lemon juice, forming a syrup. Turn off the heat. Take your cake out of the oven. Put around 20 holes in your cake, ensuring that you spread out the holes. Pour your syrup over the top of the cake and make sure the syrup goes down the holes. Cool your lemon drizzle cake in the tin. Remove the cake from the tin. Carefully take off the greaseproof paper. I had a little nibble while it was cooling, if I'm being honest. Bottom left. Soz. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the merch. See ya.